how you change a thermostat. So if you think your thermostat's bad, one way to check it is to take it off, remove the wires, and jumper red, green, and yellow, which will turn your air conditioner on. If it works with red, yellow, and green jumpered, then you know the air conditioner's fine, and you probably just got a bad thermostat. So I've already confirmed that our air conditioner works fine. It just wasn't responding from the thermostat. So I'm going to go ahead and unjumper it. Pull it apart, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up my wires, because when you put a new thermostat on, working with clean, straight wires makes it easier. And you don't want them to be too long, because you don't want them to accidentally touch. So we're just going to strip them a little bit. This is a standard single stage gas furnace with a condenser, the most common type. If you have a heat pump, you'll probably have one or two extra wires. You'll have an orange or blue maybe, which will go to the O or B terminal for your reversing valve, or you might have a W1 for second stage heat. But today we're just working with a single stage gas stat, which common color code would be red, white, yellow, green. Now, to mount it properly, you want to use your anchors. So I've already marked my anchor holes, and I'm going to use a hole punch to start that hole. I would normally suggest doing this with a hand Phillips, unless you're experienced enough to know when to stop the drill, because a drill could easily over tighten it. Tight is tight enough. And now, pay attention, this one's going to be hard to follow. Red, which is the side of power, would go to the R terminal. Green, which controls the fan, is going to go to the G terminal. Yellow, which controls the air conditioning, or goes out to the condenser. We can also call that the cooling. It's going to go to Y. So yellow goes to Y. Now white, which is for your heating, is going to go to W. Makes sense. W to white, Y to yellow, G to green, red to red, and there you go. Like I said, you have an O terminal here that's not being used. That is for your reversing valve if you had a heat pump. If you did have a heat pump and you were using this kind of stat, you would need to jumper yellow and white. Anyway, with that being said, that one's done. We'll put our batteries in. You're going to make sure you're set properly. Electric or heat pump to the right, gas or oil to the left. Like I said, this is a gas furnace. So and I heard it come on. So we're good. Before it would do nothing off the stat. So and also for you guys, you notice it says cool on, but it's flashing. That means you're in a delay mode. That means we're set for cooling, but this thing is not actually sent a signal to turn on until that goes solid. And there you have it. That's how you install a thermostat.
With free estimates, cutting-edge technology, and a 100% money-back guarantee, why would you choose anyone else? Las Vegas Air Conditioning.